Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TaoTronics air purifier air filter. This is a TT-AP001 and you're getting on the display, it's saying END and you need to get rid of that, or you already know what it is. So basically, and you want to get rid of the END. So basically you need to, when the filter runs out and needs to be replaced, it will come up with this END alarm on the screen. So once you've replaced the filter, and if you need new filters, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get some compatible filters at a good price. But anyways, what we want to do is once we replace the filter, we want to reset it because it won't know, and then it'll alarm us again when it's time to reset the filter again. So with it saying END on the display, all we're going to do is come in and find the timer button and the auto button, and you'll just press and hold both of them simultaneously for 3 seconds, and that will reset the filter alarm, get rid of the END on the screen, and start counting again with the new filter. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.